like, share, and click the subscribe button below to be the first in receiving amazing health informative new video notifications on our Drink, Eat, Light channel. Thank you and enjoy the video. Moringa, also known as the tree of life. The tiny leaf has huge power, enabling it to heal over 300 diseases. Some of the direct effects to our bodies are libido, support, weight loss, stimulates hair growth, increased mental clarity, premature aging, increased energy, anti-tumor, anemia, prevents osteoporosis, immune system booster, prevents arthritis, anti-inflammatory, prevention of impotence, filled with antioxidants, colitis, antidepressant, detoxification, herbal laxative, prevents urinary tract infections, to mention a few. Drink this tea first thing when you rise in the morning and throughout the day if you please, for its amazing health benefits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button for updates and notifications on our Drink, Eat, Light channel.